But today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve screen glitch on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve screen glitch on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to Clash of Clans and you can click in this page. Here we'll enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.